What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video, just like I've been saying all along, a new batch of $1,400 stimulus check includes plus up payments to those eligible for more money. CNBC, you know it's credible, you know it's legit. Along with the second article, CNN Politics, more stimulus money is on the way for people who lost their jobs last year. Basically, I'm not allowed to play video, but we'll get more in depth on both of these articles later. I want to take 2 seconds out this video. I want to let you know I post daily videos, 1 to 2 videos every single day, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment below. And then when this video hits 500 likes in my next video tomorrow, I'll be picking the winners from the comments. You must hit that like and subscribe to enter the giveaway. Let's get back to the very first article. CNBC, as the government continues to send out $1,400 stimulus checks, some people are getting plus up payments to the payments they already received. Just like I've been saying for over a week, almost 2 weeks now, a new stimulus check, guys, additional $1,400 is confirmed. It is on the way. People who receive Social Security, Supplementary Security Income, or Railroad Retirement benefits could see their check deposited in coming days, guys. And right here, here's what we know and who actually has received the money so far and still may be waiting, guys. As we see right here, a third batch of $1,400 stimulus checks has been sent out, which is the time includes plus up payments. It includes plus up payments for people who are eligible for more money now with their 2020 tax returns have been processed. The latest payments bring the total number of checks issued more than 130 million checks, guys, representing a total of $335 billion according to the IRS. And as it says right here, guys, people who are included in this is people who were due additional money or plus up payments were among the recipients of the latest batch. This batch is going out hopefully today or tomorrow or earliest of next week. Now, not everyone qualifies, just some people qualify. No, I don't have all the information on who qualifies. I'm talking to my source right now. Again, today is Tuesday, but hopefully we can get some more news by the end of this week. Hopefully today, hopefully tomorrow. But, fingers crossed, by the end of this week or next week, at least some people will receive plus up payments, guys. Again, not everyone, only those on Social Security and actually those who actually lost their jobs as well. I'm still figuring out the small nitty gritty details, but Washington Post, CNN, the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, started sending out what it's called plus up payments last week to people who were owed a bigger amount of stimulus check based on their actual 2020 income that they initially received, guys. The original payments for 2018 and 2019, but this newest one is for 2020. So if you actually lost your job, if you're on Social Security or unemployment, you could potentially 50-50, not confirmed, just alleged, you could potentially be receiving more stimulus check in the next coming days or, hopefully Monday of next week at the latest. As it says right here, who gets a payment? The new payments are worth up to $1,400 per person and expected to reach 85% of households. So again, not everyone, but most people. I heard anywhere between 50, 55, 75. Now here it says 85. I've even tried to actually get in contact and, message my source that I know that works inside Senate, inside Congress for the last 5 years. But with everything going on with the IRS, with the new, Build Back Better plan, with the $1,400 stimulus checks being sent out, as you can imagine, they're very booked and very busy right now. So I haven't heard a reply yet. It's been 12 hours, but if anything happens, I will make an updated video. I just want to let you know that actually people could be receiving an additional $1,400 per dependent, could be receiving up to $5,600 of additional stimulus check money. Again, I don't know if it's 100% confirmed. I don't know, what percentage, 50%, 60%, I don't know. But what I do know is, according to my source, according to CNN Politics, according to CNBC, they are actually negotiating and actually trying to make some kind of agreement for an additional stimulus check. I don't know when it's going to come out. I don't know, 100%. I do not have 100% concrete answers. All I have is credible sources, CNN, CNBC, and my source that's been right 100% of the time, over 30 leaks. And allegedly, they're actually working on it right now. They're communicating, they're negotiating, and hopefully more news will come, today or tomorrow. Please do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. If you're not a member, guys, hit this white join button. It only costs 99 cents. As a member, you get a diamond next to your name, you get exclusive emojis, guys, you get exclusive members only content, exclusive members only community tab, live streams, giveaways, guys. As you see in every single video, I am live when these actually videos go live with my members. Again, members only. It only costs 99 cents. I give away money. I give away huge Amazon gift cards. I go live only for members. All the money goes to charity. It only costs 99 cents. If you do want to support me, hit this white join button. Like I said, it costs less than $1. All the money goes to someone else. If you prefer using Patreon, I do have a Patreon as well. $1. Click join in the description. I also do have a clothing line, guys. Mitch Sucks. If you want to actually support me, if you want to buy a shirt, all the money goes to charity. It's literally $19.99. Really good quality design. 100% cotton shirts, guys. Very good shirts. All the money goes to charity. So again, if you do want to support me, hit that like, be subscribed, comment, hit this join button. Check out my store. Daily videos, daily giveaways. That's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Peace. guys have a great day. Peace.